Hey, beautiful people. Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a product that's designed for anyone who's had a little procedure done on their skin and wants to make sure that post-treatment recovery goes smoothly. I'm talking about the SkinMedica Post-Procedure Repair Complex. So let's get into it. The SkinMedica Post-Procedure Repair Complex is a rich, unscented cream formulated to aid skin recovery after cosmetic procedures like chemical peels, microdermabrasion, or laser treatments. It's a product that promises to soothe and restore, helping you get back to your regular skincare routine while supporting your skin's healing process. The cream is designed for all skin types, which is a great plus, since recovery is something most people can relate to, no matter your skin type. Now, let's break down the ingredients. Without getting too scientific here, what really stands out in this formula is its blend of antioxidants and moisturizing agents. The cream contains a variety of peptides that help support the skin barrier and promote healing, while ingredients like hyaluronic acid and vitamin C are known for their hydrating and brightening properties. There are also some calming agents like green tea extract, which can really make your skin feel like it's getting a much-needed dose of TLC after a procedure. In terms of texture, it's a thick cream, so you won't need much. A little goes a long way here. When I first applied it, the texture was super soothing. It spread across my skin easily, and even though it's thick, it didn't feel greasy or heavy. It absorbed nicely, leaving my skin feeling hydrated but not overly slick. Now let's talk about real-world testing. I used this cream after a couple of treatments, and let me tell you, there's a noticeable difference in how my skin feels during the recovery process. The first thing I noticed was how much calmer my skin felt. If you've ever gone through a laser treatment or anything similar, you know how inflamed and sensitive your skin can get. This cream seemed to take the edge off that irritation. Plus, it didn't cause any breakouts or irritation, which is a win when you're dealing with sensitive post-procedure skin. That said, there are a couple of things I'd mention here. First, I wish the product came in a bigger size. For its price, I'd like a little more bang for my buck, especially since it's meant for post-procedure use, which often requires more frequent application. But that's more of a personal preference. In terms of performance, though, it does exactly what it promises. It helps with redness and dry patches and makes the whole healing process feel less uncomfortable. That's a huge win for anyone who's gone through something like a chemical peel or laser. When we're talking about value for money, this one's a bit of a tricky one. SkinMedica is a reputable brand in the skincare world, and they do offer high-quality products. So while this product is on the higher end price-wise, the ingredients are top-notch and really do seem to help with recovery. If you've had a procedure and want a product that's specifically designed to speed up recovery without irritating your skin, this could be worth the investment. If you're looking for something more affordable and don't mind experimenting with other options, there are definitely cheaper alternatives that can still help with healing, just not as specialized. In terms of build quality, the packaging is simple but effective. The jar keeps the product secure, and it's easy to access the cream. But again, for the price, I'd love to see a slightly more luxurious feel to the packaging. Customer support is something I always like to mention, but I haven't had to interact with SkinMedica's support team directly. That said, based on reviews I've read online, their customer service seems to be very responsive and helpful in addressing concerns. Now, for alternatives. If you're in the market for something more budget-friendly, there are options out there. You could look into something like CeraVe's Healing Ointment or Aquaphor, which are both known for aiding in skin recovery without breaking the bank. They won't have the same peptide-rich formula, but they're good all-around products. So, what's my final verdict? If you've recently had a cosmetic procedure and you're looking for a product to help soothe and hydrate your skin during recovery, SkinMedica Post-Procedure Repair Complex is definitely a product worth considering. It delivers on its promises with high-quality ingredients and a soothing texture that feels great on your skin. While it's a bit pricier, the specialized formulation justifies the cost, especially if you're looking for a targeted solution for post-procedure recovery. If you're just looking for something to use on a daily basis, however, you might want to explore other options at a lower price point. Before I wrap up, is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support really helps me keep making these honest reviews for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear about your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.